couple months ago, I purchased this old dresser from Facebook Marketplace for $10. I sanded it down. I'm planning on giving it some new hardware, so I filled in one of the holes on both sides on all the dresser drawers. I'm planning on doing pull style handles that are about this long. I'm probably gonna go with a matte black finish. I don't think I'm gonna do the knobs. What do you think about this plan? The wood top needed to be glued down, so I glued it yesterday on my day off. I'm planning on painting it either a white, a blue-gray color, or a yellow color. What do you think? What color should I paint this? I'm thinking about just staining the top and painting the drawers and the remaining of the dresser with a paint color. What color should I paint this? Right now, this dresser is my main focus, so I'm really curious to hear from you guys. What color should I paint this dresser? I want to thank you so much for watching this video, and if you're new around here, make sure you subscribe. My name is Garrett. Every Sunday at 7 p.m. I upload a brand new video on a project that I'm working on. Usually it's dressers, however, I do like to do nightstands, coffee tables, and other various furniture projects like that. So make sure you subscribe to the channel, give this video a thumbs up, and hopefully I'll see you next week for another video. Thanks a lot, take care, and have a great day.